The drone world is on fire again, and this time all eyes are locked on DJI's next big launch, the DJI Air 4. Leaks, rumors, and insider whispers are spreading like wildfire. And trust me, if even half of them are true, this drone could change the mid-range market forever. Welcome back to GadgetVerse, your go-to spot for everything cutting-edge in tech. Today, we're diving deep into what could be DJI's most exciting drone yet. Body design evolution. Let's start with the design, because from what's surfaced so far, the Air 4 isn't just another refresh. It's shaping up to be a real evolution. Insiders hint at a slimmer, more aerodynamic body designed to slice through the air with less resistance, offering smoother handling and better stability, even in windy or high-altitude conditions. DJI seems to have refined every curve to boost performance while keeping that signature portability fans love. Some leaks even mention reinforced arms for added durability, perfect for pilots who like pushing boundaries outdoors. Despite these upgrades, the Air 4 reportedly stays light and travel-friendly, just what creators and travelers need. And here's the interesting part. Design cues may be borrowed from the Mavic 4, giving it a premium aesthetic and a more professional vibe. This could mark DJI's move to blur the line between consumer and pro drones, bringing serious filmmaking power to a compact frame. Camera and features. Now, let's talk about the heart of every drone, the camera. Rumors suggest the Air 4 might feature a variable aperture, letting you control exposure with cinematic precision, even during tricky lighting, like golden hour or fast transitions from bright skies to shadows. And here's the big one. A mechanical shutter could finally be coming to the Air series. That means no more rolling shutter distortion when capturing fast-moving subjects like cars, wildlife, or sports. Just clean, professional-grade footage every time. Of course, DJI's active track and return-to-home systems are expected to get smarter, too, tracking subjects with pinpoint accuracy while keeping flights safer and smoother than ever. The upgraded O4 transmission system might also extend range and signal stability, even in interference-heavy environments. Body, battery, and performance. Battery life is another area where DJI might impress. The Air 3 already delivered around 46 minutes of flight time, but the Air 4? Reports hint at up to 50 minutes. That's huge for creators who hate swapping batteries mid-shoot. More airtime means more creativity, less interruption. Combine that with a refined aerodynamic design, tougher build, enhanced optics, and smarter flight systems, and the Air 4 starts looking less like an upgrade and more like a next-generation leap. Conclusion plus CTA. If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 could redefine what's possible in a mid-range drone. It might deliver that perfect balance, the portability of the Air series, and the professional punch of the Mavic line. Whatever DJI's planning, one thing's certain, the Air 4 is already turning heads before it's even official. Stay tuned to GadgetVerse for every leak, update, and deep dive in the world of drones and gadgets. Don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you never miss the next big reveal in tech.